Bitcoin continues to be the most important cryptocurrency to watch, as it will most likely continue dictating the direction of the cryptocurrency market during this period of high uncertainty. Large investors are using current prices as an opportunity to acquire Bitcoin, as data from on-chain analytics platform Glassnode shows that Bitcoin whales have bought more than 129,000 BTC since March 11th. According to Glassnode's data, Bitcoin whales are currently displaying the biggest accumulation rate since late August 2024. Glassnode analysts have also observed that whales, which they categorize as addresses holding more than 10,000 BTC, are currently the only group of Bitcoin holders exhibiting a clear pattern of accumulation. In contrast, smaller holders are, on balance, net sellers of BTC at this time. Speaking of whales, Strategy has continued with its approach of aggressive Bitcoin accumulation, purchasing over 22,000 BTC with an investment of $1.92 billion. The company's latest purchase has brought the company's holdings to over 528,000 BTC. While watching Bitcoin-specific indicators can certainly be helpful, we should also keep in mind that BTC's short-term performance will likely be significantly impacted by factors outside the scope of the crypto markets, most notably Trump's tariffs and the broader market's reaction to them. Although Bitcoin proponents often describe it as a digital alternative to gold, the market is still clearly perceiving it as a risk asset. While gold has been setting new all-time highs among the uncertainty caused by trade war concerns, Bitcoin has been following the trajectory of the U.S. stock market, displaying weakness in the last month. At least in the short term, the price of Bitcoin will likely remain at the mercy of the Trump administration and just how far it's willing to go with its protectionist economic policies. XRP ended last week with a significant price increase from $2.30 to nearly $2.60, fueled by the SEC dropping its case against Ripple. The company's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, stated that this turn of events provides a lot of certainty for Ripple, though there are still some loose ends the firm needs to tie up with the regulators. In addition to the end of the SEC case, there are several other reasons that give investors hope about the long-term prospects of XRP. In early March, the White House announced the creation of the Digital Asset Stockpile, an initiative aimed at enhancing the United States' position as a leader in crypto. XRP is one of 4 assets included in the stockpile next to Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano. Still, it remains to be seen whether XRP and the other cryptocurrencies mentioned by Trump will be able to generate momentum, or if we will see a return to the bearish price action that dominated the market over the last month. In addition, it now seems more likely than ever that a spot ETF for the XRP cryptocurrency will be approved in 2025. In fact, Polymarket users are betting that XRP ETF has a 77% chance of launching this year. That's not too far off from the claims made by analysts. According to Bloomberg ETF specialists James Safar and Eric Balchunas, XRP has a 65% chance of approval. They had noted that the main headwind XRP was facing is the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit, but that is now a thing of the past. From a more fundamental point of view, the XRP ledger is expected to receive several upgrades moving forward, with many of them targeting institutional use cases. Based on a roadmap shared by developers at Ripple, key features will include decentralized identity and credentials, a multi-purpose token standard, a lending protocol, as well as improved programmability for escrows and trading protocols. The third coin that deserves your attention is Ethereum. Ether has been a notably poor performer over the past couple of months.
I always wanted to work at McDonald's, but I never did.
But the upcoming developments could shake things up. Developers have agreed to target April 2025 as the release for the next big upgrade, Pectra. The Pectra upgrade will deliver several improvements to the ecosystem. This includes wallet UX improvements, an increase to the maximum amount that can be staked by validators, and several other improvements. In total, there are 11 improvement proposals scheduled for inclusion in the Pectra upgrade. The Pectra upgrade was deployed on the Sepolia and Haleski testnets in February, though it wasn't entirely successful. Due to this, the upgrade was delayed slightly, with the date moving from mid-March to April. Still, the Pectra upgrade shows that the Ethereum project continues to make significant strides on the fundamental level, improving both scalability and the user experience. In more recent news, the U.S. Treasury recently lifted economic sanctions against Tornado Cash, a firm that makes cryptocurrency transactions more difficult to track. The firm was previously accused of laundering over $7 billion for North Korean and other hackers. This development could increase Ethereum's utility by enhancing privacy and token fungibility, potentially attracting privacy-conscious users and developers who value clearer regulatory environments, which could potentially drive Ether's price higher. According to our prediction, Ether could see a significant increase over the next month, with the coin potentially reaching a high of around $2,800 just before the start of May.